Today we are going to talk about a simple but effective plant growth stimulator that increases the productivity of fruit plants and the ornamental of deciduous plants, namely a preparation similar to HB-101. Our solution is based on the action of flavonoid compounds from conifers, just like such a popular commercial preparation HB-101. In the video, you will find information on how to prepare and store such a preparation, how to use and store it, as well as how to increase the effectiveness and value of such a growth stimulant. There are many standard preparations that include various coniferous plants. These can be extracts of spruce or green mass of pine. There are some extracts containing a mixture of coniferous plants and a lot of preparations based on larch. In fact, they all have the same active ingredient. This is the flavonoids of the needles. Green needles contain in fairly high doses all sorts of flavonoid compounds and complexes of these compounds. One of these compounds is quercetin and its various derivatives included in these psychostimulants, and the HB-101 drug, among others, belongs to the group of these drugs. The developers have called HB-101 a complex action preparation of vitalizer, a means for survival. To prepare the preparation we need a green mass of spruce, pine, and thuja. You can also use juniper and other conifers, including larch. We cut into small pieces and fill the jar tightly. Once you have filled the jar completely, knead this coniferous mass. Pour alcohol fortress of 40-50%, vodka or alcohol mixed with water in a ratio of 1:1. This is the optimal solvent for the preparation of our growth stimulant and the extraction of biologically active substances. Tightly seal the jar, shaking periodically. The temperature should be room temperature of 20 to 24 degrees Celsius. Extraction takes 2-3 months. Prepare it in advance. Christmas trees are a good source of this kind of substance. With care for nature, such preparation is stored for a very long time. HB-101 is a liquid obtained from a mixture of extracts of high-energy plant components of Japanese cedar, cypress, pine, and sycamore. Cedar, cypress, and pine are long-lived trees with strong deodorizing properties. HB-101 is an all-natural extract derived from the part of the plant that is most important to its proper development. HB-101 nourishes the plant, allowing it to grow, flower, and yield. It is not a chemical fertilizer. HB-101 is 100% organic, safe for plants and animals, and designed to benefit the environment and reduce the use of chemical fertilizers. How to use it? The constancy of this composition is out of the question, so we will take some substances a little more than if we used some standardized preparations. As a rule of thumb, 1 full tablespoon per 10 liters of water is a perfectly adequate concentration for all uses in the garden, vegetable garden, or for house plants. Pour it into a sprayer and start treating the plants, young plants, so that they take root well so that they do not get sick. Tomato, pepper, and cucumber are very responsive before flowering, during flowering, and after flowering. Fruit shrubs and trees are very responsive. Ornamental trees are responsive to this product throughout the season. This product is not toxic to animals, plants, or humans. Such preparations of coniferous plants, such as water alcoholic extraction, shows very great effectiveness in spider mite control. The only thing is that such preparations must be treated at least every 5-7 days. The effectiveness of such preparations reaches 80%, and in favorable conditions. When the plants are in some very good condition, it has enough fertilizer, enough micronutrients. The effectiveness reaches in 100%. There are many plants from which alcoholic extracts have very high biological activity and positively influence the growth and development of vegetable plants. One such plant is a fern. In principle, all ferns contain biologically active substances for plants. But the roll of fern has unique properties. It really contains a huge amount of useful substances, so a small amount of literally one bunch added to our alcoholic solution will be enough to enhance the effect. After all, biologically active substances are used in very small doses. We wish you good harvests. Thank you for your likes, comments, and subscriptions. See you again soon.
Yeah.